simple as mitering Kleer trim boards and installing on top of our setup. Cutting 4 pieces to fit on top of the stone base. Test fit the miters prior to assembly. Before your joinery is good, you can simply glue the 3 sides together using Kleer adhesive. Once the glue joints are solid and cured, place it around the base and then glue in the remaining piece. In this video, the installer is using a self-clamping biscuit to pre-assemble the trim. Now, this method will align the trim and hold it together while the Kleer adhesive cures. It speeds up the process, allowing him to move on to the next step without waiting for the glue to cure. The final result will be a solid waterproof cap. So using traditional woodworking tools to fabricate PVC trim allows installers to be creative in their approach to PVC joinery. The Kleer Quick Cure adhesive that's being used here is a 2-part 4 to 7 minute color matched adhesive. The applicator tip mixes the 2 parts as it's dispensed. The glue is sandable, UV resistant, and color matched to Kleer trim boards. Using the Quick Cure adhesive will give you a little bit more time to work with the material rather than use a fast setting PVC cement. This gives you time to align all of your pieces, and within 4 to 7 minutes it will completely bond. Apply a high quality sealant on top of the stone and underneath your cap. This will prevent water intrusion to the interior of the column. Here the carpenters center the cap and fasten it to the base so it doesn't move. While it's unlikely that water will penetrate the column wrap, the installer is taking extra precaution to protect the load-bearing structure from water by applying a flashing tape around the post at the top of the PVC cap that was just installed.
We're going to install a 10-inch column wrap. So obviously when there's a post up already, you have to be able to assemble it around our supporting column. So it comes in 3 pieces. This is one piece, it's pre-assembled. It's 10 foot long, and then this is the cover for it, and it has a miter lock. So we install this into that side and both into their corresponding sides. We're going to use a 4 to 7 minute work time, 2-part PVC adhesive. So that's our plan.
Apply the 2-part adhesive to the miter lock joint of the loose side of the Kleer wrap. Just a small bead covering the outside of the joints on both sides of the Kleer wrap. At the bottom of the post wrap, snap the cover onto the post wrap and then begin working your way all the way up to the top. Small stainless steel pins or clamps can be used as necessary to hold the cover in place while the adhesive cures. Be sure to clean off any excess adhesive with a small rag. If the post is going to support railings, be sure to install appropriate blocking between the post and the Kleer wrap. Plumb the Kleer wrap post and secure it into position. Fasteners can be placed where they will be hidden by accessory trim.
Okay, this is a 10 by 10 post outer wrap kit. We're going to use this on the base along with the outer wrap bed molding.
Apply a small bead of 4 to 7 minute Kleer PVC adhesive to the outside surface of each tongue. Slip the female side into the male side and then assemble. You can assemble 3 sides on a workbench and then install it around the post, or you can assemble the 3 sides around the post itself. This installer is using 23 gauge stainless pins to hold the piece until the adhesive cures. To installing the post base, a sealant can be applied to the base to prevent water intrusion. Slip the outer wrap over the column, apply Kleer adhesive to the last cover piece, and slip that into place. You can secure the wrap with clamps or fasteners. Some even use electrical tape wrapped around the entire base until the adhesive cures. Be sure to wipe off any excess adhesive before it cures. Optional bed molding kits come pre-mitered to fit around the post wrap. Apply clear adhesive to the miter joints. Clamp 3 of the sides together. Allow the adhesive to cure. Install the 3 assembled sides around the post wrap. Apply glue and fit the remaining piece and complete the bed molding kit. 23 gauge stainless steel pin is being used in this installation just to fasten the bed molding kit to the outer wrap. An optional base cap molding is also available, and use the same procedure to assemble that around the top of the base cap. Pre-cut crown moldings are available that can be installed as well. It's easy to pre-assemble 3 sides on a workbench using clear PVC adhesive, then to install around the top of the column, and glue and fasten the remaining piece around the post. You can come back later with a clear nail stick and fill any of the small holes left by the fasteners. Make sure that you clean off any excess adhesive before it cures. Use a high-quality exterior caulk or clear structural adhesive to finish off the moldings. Using clear post wrap and accessories are a simple way to turn basic posts into appealing features that require very little maintenance.